all of you. And let me try a bit two words, my Japanese. Konnichiwa, minasan. Arigato. With honor and pleasure that I join you at this commemorative reception marking the 66th birthday to express my appreciation to His Excellency Ambassador Yasushi Yamamoto for your gracious invitation and for their dedication to strengthening the relation between Timor-Leste and Japan. On this occasion, I join the Japanese people and the millions of admirers of the Imperial House around the world in extending my serenity, long life to His Imperial Majesty. Emperor Naruhito continues to embody values of humility, public service, and human closeness that inspire